Speaking during a press conference in Nairobi, led by LSK President Erick Theuri, the lawyer stated they have already arrested 3 of them and taken them to police station for more action. LSK has, however, opposed some proposals in the 2023-2024 financial year budget.
While addressing the press conference at the Supreme Court buildings on Wednesday,
to announce to you the launch of an countrywide crackdown on masqueraders and quacks.
Law practitioners under the Law Society of Kenya LSK declared a crackdown against fake lawyers who engaged in law practices without the necessary requirements.
Out there masquerading as advocates and offering legal services to unsuspecting members of the public.
Led by the LSK President Erick Theuri, that they have already arrested 3 suspects in connection to the act, stating that the crackdown will continue countrywide in order to flush out quacks.
We have taken the opportunity to raid down a few offices which we had received complaints from members of the public as well as members of our society, and we have nabbed a few. We have taken them to the police station where we shall open proceedings against them. Let this be a warning to anyone out there, anyone who does not hold a practicing certificate, that members have complained and we are not ready to share our bread and butter with people who don't have licenses to practice as advocates.
The society has cautioned law students and other law practitioners against representing their clients in court.
We have done a letter to Cliff Umbeta for practicing without a practice certificate. We are waiting for him to respond to that letter, and after the response of that letter, the appropriate action will be taken. As you are aware, he paid for his practicing certificate later while he had been appearing in court prior to having a practicing certificate. So that is an issue that we are handling.
We have seen around the country so many people have been arrested, and therefore we are sending a very stern warning to anyone out there that henceforth we are taking all the relevant measures to ensure that the legal practice in Kenya is protected.
LSK has also opposed some proposals in the 2023-2024 financial year budget, stating that they are harmful to Kenyans.
Yes, the Law Society is preparing a memorandum in response to the proposals that are contained in the finance bill. There are some proposals which we think are extremely harmful. There are some proposals which we think go against the law and even previous decisions by the courts. So we will be making a memorandum, or rather submitting a memorandum to Parliament. We hope that Parliament will consider our memorandum and do the right thing.